once again.
Here we're going to replace the starter motor on this VW Golf. So the starter motor is down here, and you can see there's a bolt just there and another one right down there, a little bit hard to see, and then we've got a bolt here for the live terminal and a plug just under there. Now we should, if we tried, we should be able to just get this out without removing anything, but just to make it easier for us. And so you can see we're just going to get the battery out of the car, and it'll just make access a little bit easier. It's the plastics out, so we got a 13mm clamp, two 10mm bolts here and there. Set the alarm off. Take the battery out. And we got a couple of 10mm here, it looks like. And another one here. This one hasn't got any head left on it, so we might struggle. So we're going to try hammer that down. It's out. Out. We're going to try and get this plug out. Seems to be a little bit broken. Oh, that's it. It's out. That was nice and easy. And I've got a 13mm bolt here. Get right on our electric ratchet. So that's the wiring disconnected. Now we've got an 18mm bolt here, and on the bottom, I'm going to get them out. So I'm going to get this 18mm on this bolt, and and get the bolt open. Break your elbow while you're at it. Bolt. Now we've got one underneath. We can reach it from here probably, but it's a bit difficult to see. I don't know if I should just go underneath the car. Let's have a look. Yeah, we might go underneath. Here we are underneath the car. So I'll just get this gearbox plug off. If it can be got off. If not, it's a bit stiff on there, so we'll just go around the side of it there. What we've got there, 13mm bolt on the clamp. That will slide off now. And we've got another 18mm bolt here then. It's a nice and easy starter, this one. Spanner on there. Or ratchet rather and socket. These bolts are stiff. We're out. He's a long old bolt. Just give it a push. And she's out. There she is. Here we've got both starters. New one here. And the old one here. Rip the plastic open on this. And we're going to just match them up. Make sure they both look the same. And they do. So now we can just fit this. Top bolt in there. Get this one in. Tighten those two up. Now we can get our live back on here. This main one. Stick her on there like that, and get the nut and bolt, nut and washer there, and put her back on there. that's it. Start the motor's on, we could just put the battery back in, so we can skip that bit. You already know how that goes. Just put your casing back on here and the battery back in place. So we're going to come inside the car, switch the ignition on, and see if she starts up. Very good. Got a power steering light on there. If any lights like that, sometimes you disconnect the battery on these, you get the ABS or the steering light, take it for a drive down the road and they usually just disappear on their own. So that's a job all done for today.